Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Python Pool. In this video, we'll be designing heart using turtle module in Python. So let me show you our demo program. This is our demo program. This heart would be designing, this curve would be designing in a single function. We'll be calling this function for designing the curve, and we'll be using begin, fill and end fill for the beginner part and the end part. So let's see how could we design that. Let me code a file, name it as test.py. First of all, we need to import turtle. So let's import turtle, and we need to set the important parameters like its background color, its pen size, its speed. So let me set it. Let me set this turtle dot bg color should be black, so our design should be noticeable. And after that, when I need to set the pen size, so turtle dot pen size, it should be 2, noticeable amount of pen size. And once I do this, I need to also set the speed. So let's set the speed as 0. That's good. 0 speed is good. Okay, and after that we need also the colors we'll be using. So turtle.color, we need to specify the colors. Our heart will be using only 2 colors, that's red and green. That's a basic color for the heart, I think you know that. So we'll be using these 2 colors, red and pink. And we'll be using begin fill. So start, when our program is start, it will have some of the things already designed. So we'll be using begin fill property of turtle. So turtle begin fill, and we'll also use end fill. So some of the part will design quickly and will terminate this program. So okay, so begin fill, and in the beginning I need to start it with left. So left, I'll give some parameters. It should be my manual, let's give 140 units, and the forward, I'll give the forward units also. So turtle.forward, I'll give 111.65 units. That's my data. And I'll be using curve function for the designing the curve. I'll call this function right now, and I'll define it once I define all other required properties. In the end, what we need to do, we need to, after curve, we need to go to left once again, and once again I'm giving the manual values 120 units, and once again I need to call this curve function. And for the righter half curve, this is the leftmost curve, and this is for the rightmost curve. Okay, and after that, the end point that we need to do, we need to move forward first of all. So forward, I'll use the same parameter, that is 111.165 units. And after that, we need to end fill. So end fill, and after end fill, when our program terminates, we need to also terminate the window. So we'll be using hide turtle for that one. So hide turtle, and once we set this, I need to define this curve function, right? So that would be actual logic of our program for defining the curves. And this, how could we do? We use loops for I in range. I should be in the range. Let's give 200 as the range. And after that, what we need to do, we need to go right. So for the leftmost, we need to define it from the right, and let's give the right for 1 units, and we also need to go forward. Of course, this is the forward is very important. So let's give this, and we have already called this function. Let's save our program, let's run our program, how it looks. Python test.py. Yeah, it looks exactly that we saw in the beginning. It draws the heart, and with a certain period of time it end fills it, and it terminates our program. So that's it from this video. Hope you're having a great day ahead. Thank you.